Hello there, welcome back. So today I'll be changing these headlight bulbs on this 2012 Ford Transit Connect. So I have some Basler lights right here for the headlights, so I'm just going to replace them. Replace it with some new ones. So these are the new bulbs. So we can get it from the box. Alright, so this is what they look like, guys. Also have a fan in the back to keep it cool. This is what the connector look like. So I'm going to remove this right here. So I have to remove the cap. So I'll twist it to the driver's side. Just like that. See if I can reach the bulb. Twist it to the driver's side and pull out. So there's a clip that you have to pull out. So you're gonna push the clip out just like this, guys. It's a bit difficult to show, but you're gonna push this clip out. Just slide it out like this, guys. And you're gonna press this tab right here. Maybe you can slide the bulb out. And there you go. So I get it out, guys. I just need to plug this this new one in there. So let me see if I can get the bulb in first. You have to kind of twist it so I can get it correct. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So now I get it inside here. Alright, so it's in there, guys. You just have to line it up and twist it to the passenger side of the vehicle. And there you go. So I just need to hook this wire. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the video and plug this wire in. I have to use my two hands, guys. Alright, so I got it in. That's it right there. But so I'm just gonna push the wire harness back inside the bulb, the headlight assembly. Alright, then I'm going to put the cover back on. And twist it like so. So that's it right there, guys. So that's the other side to do. Let's see if we can get the other side easy. So twist that one to the driver's side to get the cover off. And that's the bulb right there. So I'm gonna try to get it out. I don't have much space there, so I'm gonna have to try and get back to the video. Okay, so I get the other bulb inside there. I have to stop the video because I get injured my finger, so I couldn't get to use my two hands to complete the video, so I have to stop. So now I get the cover back on. And there you go. So that's how I change it, guys. So these are the original bulb. H13 12 volt, 60 to 55 watt. So I'm going to turn them on and see what it looks like now, guys.